Dear student, very warm good morning all of you. Exercise 14.4, less than ogive and more than ogive. So first question, the following distribution given the daily income of 50 workers of a factory that is given in table. Convert the distribution above the less than type of cumulative frequency distribution and draw its ogive. So that this is the question. So less than CF means, you know that simple CF by previous exercise, that is 12, 12 plus 16, 12 plus 14, that is 4 to 6, and then 1, 1, 2, 8, that will be 34, this is the 40, and this is 50. So that we will write here that CF 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and then on x-axis we will write the upper limit for less than ogive. So that 120 and 12, 120 and 12, that will become here, that is your point. And then 140, 26, so 120, 40, 26, that will become approximately here. And then 160, 34, so 160, 34, 34, that will be up to here, that will become. And then 180, 40, so that is 140, 180, and then 40, and then 250, then that is 50, and then you will be join these points. This is the less than type of ogive, less than type of ogive. And then second question, that is given during the medical checkup of 35 were students of a class, their weight were recorded as follow: less than 38, less than 40. So, and then number of students 0, 3, 5, 9, 14, 28, 32, 35. That is given a CF because it's increasing order. So draw the less than type of ogive for given data, hence obtain median weight. Median weight from the graph and verify the result by using the formula. So that CF is given. So first of all we will draw that F, that is 0, 3 less 0, 3, 5 plus 3, 2, 9 less 5, 4, 14 less 9, 5, 28 less 14, 14, 32 less 28, 4, 35 less 32, that is 3. And then we will draw the less than type of ogive. So that first of all 38, 0, 38, 0, and then after 3, 40, 40 and 3, that will be go up to here only, and then 3, 5, sorry 42, 5, 42, 5, it means up to here, and then 44, 9, that will be just less than 10, and then 46, 14, 46, 14, it means up to here will become, and then 48, 28, that will be 28 means up to here will be, and then 50, 32, 50, 32, that will be just of the 30, and then 52, 35, middle of the 40 and 30. You will be join these points. Right? And then and then median weight also we will find here. So that n is equal to n upon 2 is equal to 35 upon 2. That will be 17.5. 17.5. So that you will see here 17.5. 17.5 just up to here will become. So by the scale you will be make a straight line like as a perpendicular. So that will become that side down. This point will be the median. This point will be median. If you will draw in graph, then your point will be come correctly, and then you will find the median by formula method also. So that you know that formula, that is median is equal to that L plus n upon 2 minus CF upon F into H by previous exercise. Then both median will become same. And then third question, the following table given product yield per hectare of wheat of 100 farms of a village. That table is given. Change the distribution table more than type of ogive. So that is more than type of CF. More than type of CF. So you will be apply here and then draw the graph also. So how you will be do this one? So first of all you will write the 16 and then you will be 8. 14, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5 and then 4, 4, 8, 5 to 7, 8 to 10, 7, 1, 8, 1, 90. And that will be, just wait, total is 100. So anywhere is that will be 94, 96. So see again here 16 will come same, 8, 6, 14, carry 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 4, 4, 8, 5 to 7, that's right, 8 to 10, 6, 1, 7, 1, 10, and then that is a 8. So this is a 98, this is a 100. So here we will write the table of 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So here I have written lower limit. For more than type of ogive, we will write the lower limit. For less than type of ogive, we have written here upper limit. So that first is 100. On 50, that is 100. On 55, that is 98. So just less, that will be 98. And then on 60, that is 90. 90 means that is 90. And then on 65, that is 78. 78 will become up here. And then on 70, that is 54. 54, that means up to here, that will become. And then for last 75, that is 16. 16 and just will come here, approximately will become here. So that will be joined by yes, this is the less than ogive, sorry, more than ogive, this is the less than ogive. These two are the less than ogive. Okay.